Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club. The Beads of the Month Club, I receive 2 of them monthly, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month and the 2 Hole Beads of the Month. You can use my coupon code BNJewelry10 to save 10% off your first order from them. I will leave a link to the code and their website below. Each one of these is $22.95 a month for the single ones, and they also have a double one for $39.95 a month. And they also have quite a few other subscriptions. They have a gemstone, they have seed beads, they have everything. So just check out their website below. So I love working with these beads. They're so much fun because they're just kind of random beads. They're not like the normal bead boxes. So, and also bags of gold, they're $10 each pre-order starting October 12th. So each bag contains 5 to 10 packets of beadings totaling 90 to 100 grams. The value of the beads will be at least $20. So, but usually more. Beads type can come from any of our current club offerings, including 11-0 seed beads, 11-0 delicas, gemstones, 2-hole, hot and trendy, and fire polished beads. Beads will be packaged in unlabeled plastic zippy bags. So you can do a one-time shipment, or you can do a recurring add-on. So go check that out on their website below. I will leave the link. And here is the 2 Hole Bead of the Month Club Rose Trellis. So here we have these. Look at these, how pretty they are. And this one is Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club Autumn Squash. So let's start with, let me get this bag open. You've noticed there's days where, like, you can open the bags really easy, and then other times you can't. So, oh, look at these. Oh, how fun are these? Okay. So we're going to do RSA, EGR, MTB, 2HC. I'm just putting these in order. DU. PD, CRB, EB, STD. Okay. So the first one is pastel light green 2-hole cabs, 25 pieces. Oh, I can't. Oh, look how pretty these are. Look how pretty these are. There's 2 holes in them, like it said. These are so pretty because when you're bead weaving, they stay in place because they've got the 2 holes that are kind of separated on it. Kind of like a creamy mint color. Like, have you ever seen those creme de mint, the chocolates? That's what that middle part looks like. Looks exactly like that. So pretty. Oh, I love it. Oh, gorgeous. And next is Pastel Gray Rosetta. And these have the same holes, but they're roses on the top. How much fun are these? I went to town, I did a couple craft shows recently, and I pulled out all of my old packages of these beads from both sets from the last year, and went to town, and I made so many pairs of earrings, and I did so well at that craft show because these are just such, I mean, such gorgeous beads. You just can't mess with them. So pretty. Okay. And the next one is Crystal Labrador Dagger Bead. Oh, look at these. There's 20 of these. And I love the 2-hole dagger beads. You can make the coolest earrings with these. Or necklace. Or bracelet. But yeah, one side is clear, the other side is the silver. But yeah, I like to make the circular earrings and have the daggers coming out. Might even do one with like the mint and these, and maybe do some black seed beads in between. That would be a cool pair of earrings. So pretty. Oh, I love these. Next is the Metallic Emerald Storm Duos. I love the Storm Duos. Oh, I wish I had them out on me. I made these bar earrings. They were so cool. And I did this, I used the Storm Duos. I think it was last month, the ones that were like a copper color. And then I put a tiny little 11-0 seed bead in between each one and made these long bar earrings out of these. And that with that wavy shape, they were so cool. Maybe I'll do a tutorial with those. That'd be a cool tutorial. So yes, I love these. Just leaving these out so I can take a picture for you guys. I like to do that. And next are the Chalk Lila Luster Moby Duos. These are fun too to work with. Kind of like that, a lighter version of Carnation Pink. So cool. Absolutely love these. And next is Gunmetal Carries. Oh, look at these. I'm just going to leave one in there. Look at those. They have the 2 holes there. And look at them. Oh, are these pretty? These would be really cool for like, there's only 7 of them. So you'd have to do like 3 each maybe. Or you could do one really cool pendant and have it kind of circular with the ones in between. These are really cool. And next are the Antique Chrome Paisley Duos. Look at how pretty these are. They're 2 holes. One side's a little more see-through, one side's not. See, that's the side that's more see-through. Just fun to work with. You can do so much with these. You can line them up like that and have them kind of off-centered like that. Do like a zigzag. See what I'm saying? Like, and then go back up like that. And then go down again. You could do a lot with these. And last but not least, our gorgeous Halo Persian Pink Super Duos. Love the Super Duos. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. They have like a goldish sheen to them. Persian pink. And oh, look at that, that golden, it's like a golden, almost coppery sheen to them. So pretty. So this is the 2-hole Beads of the Month Club Rose Trellis for October from Adornable Elements. Now let me get out the Hot and Trendy beads. Okay, so we're starting with the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club Autumn Squash. Look at these gorgeous. Look how pretty these are. These are chatoint. Oh my gosh, I've never Chatoyant Light Gold Minos Parpuca. Chatoyant. Oh my gosh. Okay, don't judge me on that. Look at how pretty these are. These like can make beautiful spacers just with regular beads, not even using these beads, and give such a pop of color. Like if you're making a memory wire bracelet, or you're making a necklace or a regular bracelet or a pair of earrings, these are like a perfect little pop of color in between the beads. You don't even have to use them for bead weaving. I mean, there's so many, you know, things you can do with them. And the next are the metallic matte green turquoise Arcos Parpucas. These are so much fun to work with. These are a blast to work with. And these have the 3 holes. So you can do a lot with these. You can bead weave. You can just do them in one long line. Just work with them like that. So pretty. Love these. And next, opaque apricot Delos Parpuca. Oh. Keep them one inside there. It makes it easier for me to put them away. And these have 3 holes too. They look like a little crown, or almost like a little boat, a little ship. So pretty. Kind of like a color of like a dark creamsicle. Remember those popsicles as a kid? With the, they were orange with the white ice cream inside. Oh, they were so good. You could eat a whole box of those babies. So pretty. And next is the opaque khaki glass drops. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh, look at these. So pretty. Wow. They almost look like, you know, when you put a little cream in your coffee, get that little cafe au lait color to it. That's what these look like. Remember those toffees? You know how you get the, where there's toffees? Those are delicious too. That's the color of these. So beautiful. And next is pastel lime forget-me-nots. 50 pieces. And these also make really great spacer beads. Like if you're making something, you know, you don't have to use these for weaving. Little flowers, forget-me-nots. Pastel lime. So pretty. I think out of all my bead boxes, I have the most fun with this one just because everything's so different. And next is pastel light brown rose petals. I made a necklace, and what I did was I put these onto a strand. I know I have a one of my finished tutorials from this box, and I took them and I put a seed bead in between each one, and I made it look like a band with these petals. It was so pretty. I put it up on my Etsy store, and it literally sold within 2 days. It was a big hit. So, very pretty. And next, oh, these are, I love these. Topaz Vitril Matte Rizzos. I just made a bunch of earrings with these. I made these little drop earrings, and I added a seed bead in between them, and I just tied the string into a circle, and they were made like little dagger earrings. I just did the daggers, these little ones on the bottom part. They're so pretty. They have little hints of like green and like a gray, almost like a purpley color from the vitril. Look at that, how pretty these are. And last but not least, oh, I love these pastel amber flower cups. Oh, there's 25 of them. Pretty. And these make great spacers too. could put, like, if you took a bead and you put the bead right there, and then you put these on the sides, like facing it, almost like little crown spacers. You can use these for so many different things. You don't have to use them as flowers, even though they're gorgeous as flowers. So that was my unboxing for the Hot and Trendy Beads Autumn Squash and the 2-hole beads Rose Trellis. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I know I did. I can't wait to get started working with this box. I always love it. So yes, I will leave a link below, and you can use the coupon code, like I said, BNJewelry10 for 10% off your first order from them. And I will also leave a link to my Etsy store, my Instagram, my Pinterest, and my Facebook if you'd like to follow me there. And if you don't subscribe to my channel, I suggest you do so because I have a lot of fun tutorials coming up. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on my next video. You all have a great day. Thanks for watching.